You searched how to buy shares of Trustpilot Group Plc. This video will show the basic steps. Trustpilot is an online consumer review platform listed on the LSE PLC under ticker TRST.L. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before placing trades. Use the platform search box and type the ticker TRST.L to find the listing. Make sure you select the Trustpilot Group Plc share listed on the London Stock Exchange. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it's the correct stock. Check the exchange field and the ticker to verify you're on Trustpilot's listing. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens, and the platform will ask you to add funds if there are insufficient balances. Once filled, your position appears in your portfolio for monitoring. For the example link and more details, see the description below.